Mmesikia hapa? Wacha niwaambie. Hii town imekuwa kwamba watu, unajua in English ama kuna msemo wa Kizungu unasema when hate does not work, they start a lie. They have started a lie in this town. In that lie, they have started killing young people. The only sin they have committed is they are associated with me. And those people, they are still with Arati, they are bad. I don't know what you want. Mimi kama Mungu hajapenda mimi kufa, siwezi kufa. Wacha kuua vijana bila sababu. They kill a young man here in town. A only mistake he made, he was wearing a reflector. Leta msibahati. Wakabwana wakanyenyu mmoyo rigoti. Anda omwana oyo mukayale ngomulito omwana omutanga. We buried him. A month ago, they decided again to get another young man. They followed him, wakakamata yeye hapa mwenyewe. Wakapiga yeye yudo hapa kwa kitu. Then he became unconscious. Wakaenda wakachocha that young man, wanatoa nywele, macho. Then wakanyonga yeye, wakarusha egoji. Pikipiki yake, vile Mungu ni mkubwa, wakaendesha wakaleta mpaka mbele ya kanisa na kulikuwa na CCTV. Baadaye askari, our police officers who are supposed to keep law and order, they came to the church, they deleted that particular day event from the CCTV after they have killed that young man. The only mistake that young man made is to be associated with Simarati. Nothing. Huyo kijana hata nyumba yake kuwa nayo, he did not have a house. Mimi ndio nimejenga, ndio tumemzika the day before yesterday. He didn't have a house. We built for him. We built for the family a house.